everyone, welcome back to Chef Sandra Cooks. Today I'll be baking. My Snowflake Sugar Cookies are delicate, buttery, soft, and have an almond and vanilla essence. Dusted with powdered sugar makes them all that more festive and satisfying. In a medium bowl, begin by whisking the flour, baking powder, and salt. Set aside. In a large bowl, using a handheld mixer, beat the butter and sugar together on high speed until completely smooth and creamy for about 3 minutes. Make sure to scrape your bowl. Add the egg and vanilla and almond extracts and beat on high until combined, about 1 minute. Make sure you give it a little taste for quality control. Add the flour mixture to the butter and mix on low until combined. Once dough comes together, form it into a ball. Divide the dough into 2 equal parts. Place each portion onto a piece of parchment paper. Place parchment paper on dough and roll to about 1/8 to 1/4 thick inch, depending on how thin or thick you want your cookies to be. Roll out the dough to fit your parchment paper, using scraps to fill in the edges. Depending on the size of your snowflakes, roll out your dough to fit. Wrap cookie dough in plastic wrap and refrigerate for 1 hour. Unwrap the chilled dough and remove parchment paper. Begin cutting the dough using the Snowflake cookie cutters. My sugar cookie dough will yield you about 24 cookies if you're using a 3-inch cookie cutter. Gently peel off your snowflakes and place on a baking sheet. Make sure you leave 2 inches of space between your cookies. Re-roll your scrap dough and continue cutting your snowflakes. Make sure you watch till the end of the video so you can see how my Christmas dinner table came together with these beautiful powdery snowy snowflake cookies. Place cookies in a preheated 350-degree Fahrenheit oven for 12 minutes. Remove from the oven and allow cookies to cool on the baking sheet for about 2 minutes, then transfer to a wire rack to cool completely before decorating. Dust with 2 layers of powdered sugar. Hope you give my sugar cookie recipe a try. The almond extract makes all the difference. Please subscribe, like, and thumbs up so I can keep bringing you more yummy videos. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.